What's going on, everybody? Kwaku here, back with another video. Today we are going to look at Action Center on Windows 11 on this build 22000 of Windows 11. Avert your eyes for this activate Windows. That'll be solved later this week, but for now we're gonna look at Action Center. So right now Action Center has been divided into little two parts essentially. Before, we used to just be able to click an icon in this corner here and get Action Center. Now Action Center is different. When you click the calendar or this date and time, you get your notifications and you get your calendar, and then when you click away, that's it. And then once you go over to this side of the tray, you get your network, and then you also get your little sound. When you click that, that's where you get your Bluetooth devices and a bunch of other things. And this is where it gets kind of interesting, because for some reason, I guess for your music or video, whatever you're doing, for example, I was watching Short Circuit just a second ago, and you can see that you can pause and play Short Circuit just like that. So it's really cool that it plays it from whatever source that was playing the media. And then the next set of area that's divided by this spaced area is essentially your shortcuts, your quick actions. Basically, it allows you to connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, use airplane mode, night light. Now I modified this area so it can be so it was just for myself. There's not much for me to use on this, honestly, but you can go down here and you can see edit quick settings, and when you click that, you see it allows you to edit your quick settings, allows you to remove quick settings and stuff. So if I get rid of accessibility, I can hit add, and then you can see other quick settings that I can add, such as project, connect, and so on like that. So if I want to do, I don't know, if I want to project, I can add project there, hit done, and then I can start projecting my screen to whatever else in a quick setting. So that's essentially what they did with Action Center. Another thing, looking at notifications on the other side where the calendar and time is, you can see just some notifications that came up on my computer. You can see different things and how it's laid out. You can clear all. You can also just manage them by clicking the three dots, turning off all notification settings, make Microsoft Store things high priority. So it looks like you can actually make different notifications high priority. So let's say you get a lot of Microsoft Teams notifications or Slack notifications, things like that. You can make specific notifications higher priority, so that way they probably always show up, I guess. So that's pretty nice to know. So overall, it's nice. And then the calendar too has some little changes to it. It looks like you can see the date and time, or the current date, and then you can hit this drop down here, and it kind of shrinks it to just, I guess, week view, I believe. It's kind of hard to see with this activate Windows in my way. You can do that too, or if you right click the area and adjust date and time, it brings up settings. You can modify more. You can add more calendars even into this, or additional clocks. You can do that, additional calendars. So if you have a work calendar and a home calendar or whatever it is, you can do that. So that's pretty nice. So overall, yeah, that is a quick jump in for the Action Center, how it's changed, the experience of Action Center in Windows 11. It's divided into two parts: your time and date area, which for some reason gives you notifications, and then it's also divided into this other area where you get your quick access as well as your currently playing media. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this whole change, or if you just prefer to have the one button click that gives you all the things related to Action Center on Windows. And I'll enjoy this video, and take care, everybody.